little messy man. What the avocado and green beans good? What the delicious? Oh, delicioso. Oh, delicioso. You want some more green beans? Huh? You already tore up your avocado. You want some more? I'm not giving you no more, Mina. No, you already had some. Because you had yours. I don't want to hear it. You had yours. Go put it back, please.
And I didn't have mine.
You're right. You didn't get one yet. Rakim. Hi. Okay, mommy go get you some more green beans, okay? Yeah, I go get you some more. All right, I am. Hold on. Okay, so we're back. You got some more. Mommy got you some more green beans and avocado. Delicious. Say delicioso. You missed it. You missed it. The whole thing fell, boo. You missed it. I know. You missed it. There you go. Well, Kaventry still dropped. You just dropped it again. I know you keep missing it. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know. Fingers still taste good though. There you go. You figure at least one will get in your mouth? Here, let me help you. Here, Raw. You supposed to hold it. I was just helping you. You know what I'm saying? I was assisting you. There we go. Good job. There we go. Say 7-month life. Huh? Say I just turned 7 months and it's been fun. You crawling and everything. Getting into stuff.
And I already know how to crawl. Nina, with no parents up there.
Oh boy, that's not good, huh?
What?
She don't got a crayon, do she?
Nope. Mommy, Daddy Wean is going to go in.
You okay, Ra?
Hey, okay,
Here, give me the spoon, boo. First off, let's wipe your face. Give me the spoon. Thank you. I know, but that's not going to work. We got to get you your baby spoon. Enjoy your natural utensils. There you go. You just keep dropping it. What happened? Spray. Clean it up. Get the paper towel. Easy peasy. There's some more in the bathroom, boo. Just keep dropping it. Yeah. You hold it. You just gonna go like that then? Is it good? I'm so proud of you. Look at you just working out them gums. Are they working them gums out? Yeah. Oh, it's getting fun to play in, huh? It getting fun to play in? Why are you just gonna scare your sister?
No, I'm serious.
Then go in there and get the paper towels for her, please. Thank you.
We still have 2 of them, so my husband put them over there.
But when we were in there, your chair was blowing.
So yes, I have a lot of
I guess you starting to prefer them green beans over the avocado, huh? Yeah, you. I probably should have moved it over.
I mean, I think don't drink that. It's on the floor.
There you go. I wasn't taking your food. I was just helping you out. There we go. There we go. One of y'all go pause that TV for me, please. Bun, go pause it. Did you at least get the paper towel? Please go and do that. Bunny, can you please go pause the TV for mommy? Put them down, please. Take that back. No, I don't need my shoes. Thank you. Go put it back. You don't need shoes either. Where are we going? Oh, okay. So one of the good things about baby led weaning is, you know, they get to really explore different textures and touch and play with their food and learn. Thank you, sweetie. Go put that back. And it saves you money. You know, who needs to buy baby food when they have food? And they explore with different things. To me, it's easier, especially like with green beans, avocado and stuff. I really do try my best to start out with green foods, since their taste buds are so fresh and they don't really know, you know, sweet stuff just yet. But he didn't already had whole peaches. You know, he didn't eat the whole thing, me holding it and whatnot. Apples, because I love to use apples or carrots for when they're teething, for them to just gnaw on. We always give him avocado. What else you been eating, little man? Green beans, this is his first. Well, today's not his first, but yesterday was his first time eating the green beans. He really loves that. I haven't done the broccoli just yet. He has had green peppers. He likes those. We've given him some popsicle, huh? Yeah, you like popsicle. And we've given him water. I don't do juice for babies. I learned through my first child, she's now 14, to not introduce juice first, because she is a juice drinker. But my other children all are big water drinkers, and that's because I've introduced water to them first only, not juice. And like my other two younger ones are big vegetable people versus my oldest, and whatnot. It's just such a big difference, because with her, I just did what the doctors and things told me. She's my first. What was I supposed to know? And I was young. I was 21 when I had her. Yeah. Oh, you all done? Oh, you all done? Oh, was it good? Was it good? But through different experiences, you know, over the course of children, this is our fifth. Did our fifth. And me breastfeeding the last three, him and my two girls. And I did breastfeed my 7-year-old, but not as long as I did the rest of them. It's just a difference in their taste palettes and whatnot. And, you know, you can play around with foods. There's not too many allergic reactions or anything. Although I would still say try different foods at a time, just in case. And, you know, watch them and whatnot. But definitely give them variety, huh? Because yeah, it was good. Now you ready to get in bed and cleaned up. Huh, Rakim? Rakim legend. Hi, messy baby. Now you trying to break free? You ready to go crawl and burn us off? No, he's ready to nurse again. So typically he'll eat and then he's ready to breastfeed. Yeah, like his milk, huh? All right, y'all. So it's been fun. Just wanted to share this moment with you all. Okay, tell them bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alright, much love and peace. Baby led weaning is the way to go. So I've learned over the years, because I didn't do it my first.